The next special case that we need to look at with long division is if I have to do a division where I get a 0 somewhere in the result. So let's say that I have to do 510 divided by 5. I make the shape. Here's the divisor. Here is the dividend. And again, I start by saying, how many times does 5 fit into 5? 5 fits into 5 once. 1 times 5 makes 5. Subtract 5, take away 5, gives a 0. Next step, carry down the 1 right here. And here is what's so special about this division. I start again after carrying down the next digit. I start again from the beginning, and I have to divide. So I have to say, how many times does 5 fit into 1? 5 doesn't fit into 1. 1 is smaller than 5. So I would say that 5 fits into 1 0 times. And this is very important because it can change our result. 0 times 5 makes 0. And 1 take away 0 is still 1. Next step, carry down this 0 here next to the 1, and it becomes a 10. Start again. How many times does 5 go into 10? Twice. 2 times 5 makes 10. 10 take away 10 is 0. We go to pull down the next digit, but there is no next digit, so the exercise is over. And our result is 102. Now see, this is the most important part. Why is the 0 important? Because if it wasn't there, I would have gotten a completely different result. So let's say that here, instead of putting this 0 here and doing this entire step, let's say that I just pulled down the next 0. I put it here, and then I said, well, 5 fits into 10 twice, so my result would have been 12 instead of 102. And it would have been wrong, because if I try to do 12 times 5, I would get 60, not 510. I'm supposed to get 510. Now, though, if I do 102 times 5, I do get 510, which is the correct result. And so that's the last special case that we need to pay attention to in division. And I hope you have a great weekend, and see you again on Monday.